Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. For this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to fix Payday 3 matchmaking error. Let's hop into the methods on how to fix this error. First method is to simply restart the game and also restart your computer. Sometimes a simple restart can fix errors and problems within the game. Second method is to change your internet connection. If you are using a Wi-Fi and playing your game, then make time to change it to a LAN cable using Ethernet to have a stable internet connection. Third method is to disable antivirus and firewall protection. Sometimes the antivirus blocks the game files, which then causes the game to have problems or errors. So it is recommended that when you play the game, make sure that your antivirus is disabled. Next method is to restart your router. Restarting your router can clear the internet cache and sometimes resolve issues. To do that, shut down your router and then unplug everything that is connected to it. Then wait for about a minute before turning the router back on. As for the last method, check for any update on the server and install the latest version if it has one. That's simply all of it. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. If you have any questions, drop them below, and we'll see you on the next video.